Yeah, few years ago, we launched groundnut oil in our brand Freedom. Few weeks ago, we launched a 5-liter jar. If you go back to 30 years ago, all of us were using mostly groundnut oil. Because of the sunflower oil, inherent benefits of the sunflower oil, and also price being cheaper than the groundnut oil, the consumers gradually moved from groundnut oil to sunflower oil. But of late, due to the international situation, which is Russia and Ukraine war, the sunflower oil has become very expensive. Comparison to that, the groundnut oil is cheaper. So of late, the consumers are moving back, remembering those gone taste, forgotten taste, because groundnut means you that nutty flavor. All of us like using that. In fact, a lot of us use. Most of it gets consumed during the pickles time. So realizing this, the price benefit and the taste benefits, a lot of us are moving to groundnut oil. This 5-liter launched jar in the market. It should be available at 900 rupees. Of late, we started the GroundNut TV promotion, saying that it is good for pickles, and also just to recall that to remind the consumers about that nutty taste of the groundnut. Thank you.